हेलो बच्चों, आज हम ABCD पढ़ना लिखना सीखेंगे, तो वीडियो को पूरा देखना। येलो कलर, ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, रेड कलर, ऑरेंज कलर, A for apple, पिंक कलर, B for ball, ब्लैक कलर, C for cat, ग्रीन कलर, D for dog, रेड कलर, E for elephant, violet color, F for fish, blue color, G for giraffe, orange color, H for house, pink color, I for ice cream, black color, J for joker, green color, K for kite, red color, L for lion। एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं। ABCDEFGHIJKL, violet color, A for apple, red color, B for ball, pink color, C for cat, black color, D for dog, yellow color, E for elephant, blue color, F for fish, orange color, G for giraffe, green color, H for house, brown color, I for ice cream, violet color, J for joker, red color, K for kite, pink color, L for lion, black color, M for monkey, yellow color, N for nest, blue color, O for orange, orange color, P for parrot, green color, Q for queen, brown color, R for rabbit, violet color, S for sun, yellow color, T for tiger। एक बार फिर से पढ़ते हैं। ABCDEFGHIJKL, L M N O P Q R S T. Color A for apple, A for apple. Blue color B for bat, B for bat. Black color C for car, C for car. Light green color D for doctor, D for doctor. Pink color E for egg, E for egg. Yellow color F for fox, F for fox. Dark green color G for giraffe, G for giraffe. Brown color H for house, H for house. Blue color I for ice cream, I for ice. Black color J for joker, J for joker. Light green color K for kite, K for kite. Pink color L for lion, L for